Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. Then swipe up and mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. In order to continue, click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear next to Preview at the top right corner. Hit I accept in First Things First pop-up. And finally, check out all of those options. When you're ready, go back, click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom, and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. Lastly, close your app. And as you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!